I'm about to be straight out of the bank like, hey yo, what's good? I got that money, sis. Woo! Hey girl, welcome back to Glam Life by Meg, where I teach you how to efficiently and glamorously live your very best life. Say hi in the comments if you're new here. It's nice to virtually meet you. First things first, I'm shooting on a new camera. What do you guys think? How does it look? Is it cool? Let me know what you think in the comments. If I need to adjust my settings or anything like that, just let me know. I have been ordering from and talking with the Budget Boutique on Instagram. She was kind enough, after I placed an order, she said, hey, you know what? I want to send you a Christmas box with some little surprises in it, and you can open it on camera and I can see your reaction. And I said, absolutely. I love unboxing videos and I'm totally into it. I'm totally there for it. So we're gonna do it right now. So here's the box. I covered up the address so y'all can't come for me. I really have not even opened it yet, so we're gonna do the thing.
Where you open it. These are definitely secure. These boxes be killing it. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm like really excited. Okay. Okay, almost there. Almost there. Okay.
Oh my gosh, everything is wrapped. So cute, look at this. So this is what it looks like when you open it. Everything is wrapped and just so cute. Okay, wait, this is super awesome. She said, I do not normally include a wet erase marker, but I did not know if you had one super useful for budgeting. Holy cow, thanks sis, I actually don't have one. So thank you. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. That's freaking awesome. Okay. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Something you have had your eye on. Okay, let's find out. Okay, I'm so excited. Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, I have had my eye on these. Look, these are the Christmas envelopes and they're the pink. They're the pink of my brand. My brand is very like pinks and blues and all that fun stuff, but these are so cute. Dreaming of a pink Christmas. Yes, sis. Yes, sis. That is the truth. Oh my gosh, these are so beautiful. And you can use most of these throughout the entire year and it's not an issue. So that's great. Christmas / the whole year. We all have a Christmas sinking fund. Don't even play like you don't. These are really sturdy as well, like really sturdy paper. These ones are not laminated, but they're really nice matte and they have the stickers on them so that you can write what they are for. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm trying to relax because like this is so cool and there's still so much to go. Y'all, I don't even know what to do right now. Okay, next one says something to help you relax and tools to make it easier. Okay, all right, sis, let's see what we got. I feel like it's literally Christmas morning right now. I'm so excited. Like, what is even happening right now? She sent me some tea. Moringa, is that how you say it? Moringa organic tea, honey and vanilla, chocolate and turmeric. Literally the best things ever on this planet. I've never tried these, but I'm so excited to. I actually just ran out of tea at my house, so I'm thrilled I can make myself a cup of tea. Thanks, girl. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, and then oh yes. Okay, these are, ooh, it auto focuses. This camera, wait, do it again. Do it again. Do it again. These are the budget envelope trackers. So you stick this in your envelope, you can write the category and your starting balance, and then you can keep track of everything that you buy. So that way at the end of the month when you have to track your expenses and all that stuff, I know nobody wants to do it, but this makes it so much easier. Whoop, whoop. And she sent me, so she sent me these awesome cash breakdowns that I can stick literally hole punch in my wallet. And then also this one, which is a reusable cash breakdown for me to take to the bank. We were talking about how we love like having a little cash breakdown to take with us. And I said, I love these because she had sent me some of these previously with an order. And I was talking about how much I love them. It's so easy to just take them to the teller. They know what's going on. And they love that we do the work for them basically. And now I have a reusable one. Oh, being kinder to the planet while also making money, saving money. And it's so freaking cute. Oh my God, okay. Okay, because Disney Plus. Oh my gosh, what? 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 I'm like flipping out. We were talking about how the Disney Plus subscription is much more cost effective if you get it a year at a time instead of paying monthly. So I told her that I want to start saving in a cash envelope monthly for that cost so that when that time comes around, I can just throw that back in my bank account and make the payment. But otherwise I would get confused, like what thing is in my bank account for what and the numbers and you know. So this way it'll just save me the confusion. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm so excited. It says Disney Plus and it's Aurora, who is one of my favorite, if not my favorite childhood princesses. Freaking love her. I wore out the VHS of Sleeping Beauty. It says Disney Plus laminated and it says I need my beauty. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. I'm so excited. And then she also gave me a sinking fund with a Mickey hand on it, which is so cool. Like saving up for like trips to Disney or anything like that. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. And it has a budget tracker on the back. I'm flipping out right now. There's still more in this box. Like, okay. I love mini cash envelope for folded cash, coupons, or receipts. Awesome. Okay. I love me some coupons. Love me some coupons. Oh my God. Look, it says Glam Life by Meg. It says Glam Life by Meg. Oh my gosh. This one says Megan. This one says Megan. And this one says Megan. Oh my gosh. I am so excited. I like don't even know what to do right now. I can't even believe my life. Oh, there's a card here. I probably should have read the card first. Meg, look at how cute this card is. Thank you so much for all of your support. I am so happy that we became friends. I included all of my favorites and know that you will love them too. Merry early Christmas, Heart the Budget Boutique. I'm gonna hang this on my bulletin board. I'm so excited. I love budgeting. I'm sorry, I do. I'm not sorry that I love budgeting. Okay, this one says, you can't budget without sinking funds. Sis, you right. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my God, okay. It says, surprise, have a great wedding. I'm engaged and if you're wondering where my ring is before you even ask, it is actually being fixed right now at the jewelry store. I lost some weight, it's a little big, so they're fixing it, cleaning it up. I'm actually going to pick it up after this. But nothing happened. You know, we're still getting married. Look at this super cute envelope. It's got the bride and groom. It's got the bride and groom on it. It's a Thanksgiving envelope, which is so perfect because you don't really think about it. Everyone has a Christmas envelope, you know, oh, Christmas gifts. But for Thanksgiving, I mean, there's always a Friendsgiving, there's travel, if you're putting on your own dinner or if it's like a thing where you have to bring something. There's expenses that come with it outside of your normal food budget or travel budget or anything like that. So it's really nice to have a little bit of this saved up so that you don't have to worry about it when that time comes. Oh, yay! Oh, she sent me a house fund. I told her that we dream of owning our own home. Now we can really put that into action. Oh my gosh, that's so amazing. This one's so cute. Oh my, these are all so cute. Wait, hang on. I'm gonna try to look at them one at a time. This one's so cute because look, it's like a vacation, travel situation. This is all so, just so smart. Then we have car maintenance / new car. And then we have this one, the love, which is cute, like anniversary or Valentine's Day, whichever you prefer. And then this one is super cool. This is like for vitamins, medications, pharmacy, health related things, which is super great because there's always something that happens. You get a little coughy cough, and then you gotta go to the doctor, and then you gotta copay, and then they give you a prescription, and then you gotta go pick up that prescription, and that was not a part of your budget this month. That's what these envelopes are for. Holy cow, I am so eternally grateful for this situation right now. Holy cow. I have really met some amazing people through this debt-free community, this financial freedom community. It's so different from being strictly in the beauty community, which I have been in the past. It's amazing the support that everyone gives each other in this debt-free community because I'm not used to that. I was hardcore in the beauty industry, specifically only in beauty, and it's really cutthroat. I mean, you guys see it. It's all over YouTube how cutthroat that is, but everything that I do now and my mission is much clearer because I am here to help you guys. It's not just, oh, here's a makeup tutorial. Tell me what you guys want to see. Do you want to see a makeup tutorial? Do you want to see how I do my eyebrows? Do you want to see how I shape my brows? And I've never ever once paid for someone to ever do my eyebrows or eyelashes or anything like that. I can show you guys that because I'm not only here to help you feel great and look amazing, I want you guys to be all around better individuals. Whatever those goals are for you, I want to help you achieve them. At the Budget Boutique, you are seriously an amazing business owner and such a supportive friend online in this jiggy jungle that we call the internet. I am so glad to have made a friend like you. Thank you all so much for your amazing support, your likes, every comment, when you subscribe, when you share it. Like you guys help me help other people, and that's really what I'm here for. This is amazing, and I can't even say thank you enough. This is helping me budget better so that I can help you guys in the future. Oh my God. I mean, like everything in here is just, like I don't even know what to say. So for the review portion of this, let's talk about it. This is the pink Christmas set, which is amazing. Again, super high quality paper. They have that flap closure and a label for you to label each sinking fund, which is amazing, or cash envelope, depending on what you decide to use it for. So that is absolutely amazing. Well, that's about to go straight into my Luxe wallet. If you haven't seen that video, go watch it. Now the sinking funds. What's really cool about these sinking funds, they are a side open. Again, very high quality paper. These are not laminated so that you can write all over them, color in everything, track, all that good stuff. Half envelopes, like the mini cash envelope. Well, I mean, this one says Glam Life by Meg, so obviously. I mean, they all say my name on them, like how cool. That's amazing. These are cool, especially, yes, for like coupons, even like gift cards, anything like that. And if I want to just take a little bit of cash somewhere, fold it up in a smaller bag, this is going to be huge for me. Because sometimes, you know, you're going somewhere and you don't have the space in your bag to do a full, you know, your full wallet, or you want to carry a specific little evening bag. These are going to be so great for that. So I'm very excited about those. Cash breakdown, which I love so much. This is one that you can use the wet erase marker for. Thanks, girl. Oh my gosh. This way, instead of using a dry erase marker, which I have dry erase markers, but then you can do that and then you put it in the wallet and then you take it to the bank. By the time you get there, it's all erased. This is nice because it's a wet erase, so it's gonna stay on till you get to the bank and everything, and then you can physically wipe it off later, which is amazing. High quality. Everything here is very high quality, so don't get it twisted. Disney Plus. This is amazing, and I don't know if she offers this in her shop, but I know that she offers custom envelopes. So if you want something custom, I know right now she's doing custom pet envelopes with pictures of your pet and all that. Do it. My goal is to help you become financially free, feel as beautiful as you are, and enjoy your life more. I want to help you find that little bit of happiness. So thank you for coming to my corner of the internet yet again. Please consider subscribing, sharing this, help people learn. And until next time, stay hydrated, sis.